In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option, illustrating the correct match between the characteristic features and the class. For this, let me avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. The mouth is ventral and the gill lacks operculum. The skin bear placoid scale and notochord is permanent in contouristhides. So we are choosing option A as the correct answer. Why? Because it is a correct match between the class and characteristic feature, unlike the other option. But we need to narrate why we are rejecting the option cyclostome lacks, with the exception of an oily gland near the base of the tail bird. Skin is glandless and dry. With this specification, we are avoiding option 2. Why we are avoiding option 3? Why? Because certain mammalian species like monotroph, whale, dolphin lack spina. That means ear-like appendages. If we're talking about the mammalian, not all the animal have two pair of limbs. For example, whale have modified forelimb that function as flippers and vesicular hind limb. With this specification, we are choosing option 1 as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because it is not exactly illustrating the proper characteristic features of the respective class.